I hope you're all well. I want to do this brief video to let you know that I am putting a lot of lectures. So what I'm doing is I'm putting every lecture, every topic that I teach in Introduction to Corporate Finance, I'm putting that on YouTube under a new playlist called Introduction to Corporate Finance. So this course that I'm putting online is it's the same topic taught at every university around the country. It's the one finance course that every business major has to take, so it's called something like this, or Fundamentals of Corporate Finance. So what I'm doing is I'm doing all my lectures, hopefully in less than 10-minute videos. I'm going to do about 40 videos approximately. I already have about 10 plus up. I'm shooting for completing the course in 40, maybe 50 videos. Again, trying to keep them short, less than 10 minutes. And I'm going to go through and do the theory, and then I'll go back through. I'm doing the theory on the whiteboard here, and then I'll go back through and do some calculations in a spreadsheet or in a programming language. So that'll come after. And of course, this is going to be used in my course, so there's no ads or anything on this. So it's just, like you can just set the playlist and go, and like I said, no ads or anything like that. So it's for students. The reason why I want to do this video though is there's a little box that you can click on YouTube that says notify subscribers. So I'm unchecking that box. It's checked by default, and I'm unchecking it on all these videos so that you don't get an email when I put a new video up. Meaning, I'm going to put 40, maybe 30 to 40 more videos up in the next 2 weeks, right? So I want to be respectful of your inbox, your email inbox, and not hit you with like 50 emails in a couple week period. So I want to do this one video to let you know that this playlist exists, and I'll be adding to it, and then because like I said, you won't get notified when I put videos up here. Another aspect of these videos is I'm putting up lecture notes with them, and these lecture notes are still in progress. The lecture notes they will have calculators, so within the lecture notes, also code to do the calculations, and some practice problems. So and I'll put a link to the list of lecture notes to this video, but every time I put up a video, there should be links to the lecture notes. And also, if you're watching this and you're like, hey, I know all this stuff, right? Feel free, but you could still, if you do know of it, you can contribute to the lecture notes. So the lecture notes are hosted on GitHub, and all the calculators I'm doing are in JavaScript and HTML. Obviously, the code I do in whatever language I'm feeling like, usually R, Python, or C++. If you wanted to contribute some calculations in Haskell or whatever you want, feel free to. And practice problems, those are just HTML fundamentally. So, if you already know all this stuff, but you're feeling generous, absolutely feel free to contribute to the lecture notes, issue a pull request on GitHub. Like I said, I hope you're doing well. Have a great rest of your summer. And have a great day.